Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to find the nearest gas station on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go open Google Maps, and as you can see on the top of the screen, there is that list of things or places. So what you should do is just scroll a little bit until you find an icon called gas. Click on it, and as you can see, it will give you all the near gas station to you, and you can sort them by relevance or by distance to you and click on done. For example, it show me here the gas stations by how are near to me, or I can choose also by relevance. And if you can't find it in that list, you can, or you have just to click on more, and you will find a very long list with everything that you can need and you can find on Google Maps. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you